I'm super excited today.
More cowbell. Right on.
Her voice could punch you in the face. I love this one.
Jive turkey.
Who are you calling Jive Turkey?
You.
Hi guys, this is Play It Again. I'm Ginger.
And I'm Mike.
And we got a new band.
Wax on.
New band.
All right.
Yes, a few people have suggested a band called Architects. I always like I'm a bit of an architecture junkie.
Mike Brady was your favorite TV character?
No, he was not. But
I know you were
really,
all about Alice.
Alice was the funniest one, let's be honest. Okay. I like Frank Lloyd Wright though.
Mm-hmm.
So, and many others. There's that Danish one. I can't remember his name now.
Oh, yeah.
He did the Lego building.
Yeah.
Fabulous. Can't remember his name
Yeah,
now.
I'm drawing a blank too. I know who you mean though.
Yeah.
It's fantastic.
We're huge architecture junkies, and I'm ashamed that I don't know the name of that architect now offhand.
Yeah,
But
I wasn't thinking about it at all, and I can't pull it up.
yeah, this is totally unrelated to music, but you remember the
Bjarke
Lego building?
Ingels.
What?
Bjarke Ingels.
That's why I keep
I
you
still
around.
got it.
Because your memory's better than mine. Yes. Fabulous. Anyway, okay, back to music. So the architects, not the architects apparently. I can't remember who suggested them, but I think they came up a couple times. So we chose the song Animals.
Okay.
Yeah, no idea what to expect. But the beginning of this looks promising, I can't lie.
Might want to get that looked at.
Right? So that's not a good start. That is a distinctly Metallica sound, eh?
Do my best, but everything seems ominous. Not feeling blessed, quite the opposite. This shouldn't feel so monotonous. It never rains, but it pours. We're just a bunch of fucking animals.
Guilty as charged.
Well, if you're going to do that, make sure you throw it away. Grenade tips, right here. Love that sound.
It's almost like the air raid siren.
It is like an air raid siren. Like that.
Dream within a dream within a. We're just a bunch of fucking animals. But we're afraid of the outcome. Don't cry to me because the
siren too, eh?
pull the pin? Should I just 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 pull the pin?
That was so good.
Way heavier than I usually like, but if something's dark enough, I can take it a lot heavier. And that was good and
It
dark.
was really good,
Really good
right?
and dark. I liked that.
Yeah. Okay. So there was a very distinct Linkin Park feel to that song, right? Which is a good thing. I freaking love Linkin Park. I miss Chester. And especially the vocalized harmonies in the chorus bit. Sound like if I'd closed my eyes, I would have thought that was a Linkin Park song. Which is, I mean, maybe they won't be flattered by that. I don't know. But I really enjoyed it. It was really good.
Yeah, it was good.
And I loved how many sounds they had in there that did sound like sirens. It kind of gave that
Tension,
ominous, right? Oh,
contributed to the dark feeling with that
what
heavy
an
bass.
Yeah, what an amazing introduction. That was really good. The video too. Yeah, we always talk about the songs, but just every once in a while a video catches my eye, and that one really did. I liked the starkness of it.
The arc of the silhouette of the mic and the
Yeah, that was
cord
awesome,
behind
right?
it. That was cool. I like that.
Yeah,
that
yeah.
image.
All of it.
Not to
That
mention
was-
the smoking flare things.
Good suggestion, guys. We're definitely gonna have to do more of them. Architects. Okay, we're gonna have to write it on the whiteboard because otherwise I will forget. But that was amazing. Yeah, I'm gonna put that one on the driving playlist too.
No doubt.
Thank you for that, guys. Hopefully you all enjoyed that too. I know you're gonna want to say play it again. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications. You can find us on Twitter. We are at PlayItAgainMG. And thanks for coming out, guys.